Hi everyone, how was your day? Let me know in the comments. So today I am really excited because I get to combine Henna and Chebe and see how they work together. I said I was going to do this in my Henna versus Chebe video. In the comments I was going to try it out, but I did not upload the video and I filmed this in February, so I am way past due. So I'm starting with my Henna. That's what it looks like. I got the Naturall henna from my Indian grocery store because it's easily accessible. And now this is what the Chebe looks like from Chebe USA. I think she only has an online store. I don't think she has a physical location, but this is the Henna and Chebe. You get to see the contrast right here, okay? So when I do my treatments, I like to use special oils, one of them being the Chebe Ostrich Oil. I also use Batica, Qatar emulsion, and other things, but I'm starting with the Ostrich Oil. Just a little bit, not too much, about 1 or 2 tablespoons full, and some warm water. Mix it up a little bit, then add more water, then mix it up, then add more water, because you don't want to put all the water in. It's gonna be so hard to mix. Over time, you're gonna get a nice thick consistency. Choose the thickness that you want. That's totally up to you. Everyone has a desired thickness. Whatever you like your conditioner to be like, that's what I'll go by. And I like to use my fingers to mix and make sure it's nice and smooth, because I'm African and everything has to be smooth, even if we have to pound it to get it to be smooth, okay? So moving right along, this is what my mix looks like, and that's my hair. I'm going to put on some gloves because the henna can stain my fingers. I don't want stains, but you know, over time with some oil, it'll come right off. I'm taking my stocking off, and this is like day 7 hair of I don't know what. I can't remember what curls I did. This was back in February, you guys. I don't remember what I did at all. And I'm sectioning my hair off so I can prep and use my Henna Chebe mix. It smells herbal. It smells like, you know how cow poop smells when it's like super fresh? It has that sweet cow poopy smell right now. Or maybe I'm the only one who knows that smell. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just applying like a little bit of product on each section, and I'm Bantu knotting my sections so that they're out of the way and my hair can be a little bit stretched out and easy to rinse out. So what I did was I hopped out of the shower so I could show you guys again and get up close and in your face, and you could see how fuzzy my hair is and how it's in the process of reverting back to where it belongs. And I'm just stretching out and applying the product. It really stretches your hair out when you do this type of stuff. Henna, clay masks, bentonite clay. I do have some cassia that I recently purchased. I can't wait to use it. It's still in the bag. I don't want to touch it because if I touch it, then I'm gonna forget to film. So I'm not even touching it. I'm just leaving it until I use it. But I'm putting my hair again in a Bantu knot, and that's all. So let's do this one more time in the back in the shower I am, and apply the product and just smooth down. Do it in sections if you have to, because sometimes it's hard to just get through, especially if it's super thick. And then once you're done, go ahead and wrap it around in a Bantu knot. Make sure you get those ends, because I don't know about you guys, but my ends have dryness issues. So now I am going to put my hair up in a plastic bag. I like to double bag every time I put my hair in a plastic bag and do the greenhouse effect / steaming on my hair. And this is African black soap, my favorite shampoo, period. I don't think I'll ever change my mind. I love African black soap because it cleanses, but it doesn't strip my hair at all. So I'm keeping it natural today, okay? And I can get like 5 pounds of this stuff for under 20 bucks. So that's like a win for me. Like on eBay, Amazon, you can always get it super cheap. And I'm adding some water all the way up my squeeze bottle, and I will let it mix and dissolve over time while my hair is marinating. So after about 4 hours, I took everything out, and my soap, as you can see, is perfectly dissolved over there. To the left, you can see that dirty container. That's the African black soap. And this is what my hair is looking like. It's super stretched out because of the product, and it will revert over time. I just have to wash it with shampoo. That's just how my hair is. And I'm just separating so that it's easy for me to get in there and rinse it out. So My hair responded positively to mixing henna and chebe. Actually, it felt really nice. I've grown to love masks and henna and all sorts of things in my hair, especially as pre-poos. I don't know what it is, but they do really well. Whether I use them on their own or I use a shampoo after, they do really well. But with this particular mixture, because chebe has staying power, you will have those grains in your hair. I'm choosing to wash my hair with the African black soap, a nice gentle cleanser, so it doesn't strip my hair, but it gets rid of the extra grains from the chebe, because do you see how I'm getting all these suds that are a little bit colorful? They're a little bit brown because I still have some product left behind. And don't ever be alarmed by the lather from African black soap. Trust me, it's not gonna strip. No matter how much you put, it's not gonna strip your hair. It feels so good. Anyway, after rinsing out, I got my conditioner from Naturall Club, and I'm just going to pull it out. This is it. You guys saw it in the past when you saw my video with my deep conditioning routine, or I can't really remember what I did. This was actually the first time that I used it. The last time that I showed you was not the first time I used it. It was actually the second time that I used it. So this was day one with the conditioner from Naturall Club. And this is all the stuff that came in the box. I just put it in my hair so my hair would be super hydrated even after washing. I just wanted maximum hydration when I was done with this process, and my hair responded positively. I will have a follow-up video on how I styled my hair with some Cream of Nature products. Again, I was supposed to upload that video in February too, and stay tuned for that one, you guys. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye!